In today's bilingual world, contacts are more crucial than ever. Knowing a second language might always provide you an unfair advantage in today's globalized society. Being bilingual has tangible advantages. It can help you advance in your job, it can improve your memory and brain processes, and it can help you better understand the languages you already speak. A second language can make or break your career. Because we live in an interconnected society, more and more jobs are advertising opportunities where understanding more than one language is required. Employees are frequently required to travel for work, strengthen these contacts, or be relocated abroad as more organizations trade worldwide and develop relationships with other countries. Learning a second language can provide you with insight into various cultures in addition to increasing your chances of finding a good job or rising in your profession. You will be better prepared and more confident to travel the world and learn about other people's cultures. Most countries face a serious lack of integration. The majority of the time, this is due to a linguistic barrier. People living outside of their native nations become isolated, as they only associate with people from comparable communities where their language is spoken. Learning a second language allows us to become a part of a community with a different culture while also learning more about the world around us. Did you know that being multilingual can help you learn your native language? Learning a new language with comparable roots, for example, can help you learn other languages. Transfer your Spanish, Italian, and French skills from one summer to the next. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.